And Harford County Schools is taking social media companies to court, accusing them of getting teens addicted to their platforms. It's one of hundreds of similar lawsuits filed across the country, but Harford County's case will be one of the first to go to trial. Fox 45's Keith Daniels joins us live with a closer look at the lawsuit. Keith.
Well, Kai, Harford County Schools is part of a sprawling proceeding in federal court in Northern California with an expected trial date sometime next year. Now, the school systems say they're owed millions of dollars in compensatory damages for years of the harm they say caused by those social media companies. And tonight, a closer look at the lawsuit. In Harford County, the Board of Education, which oversees county public schools, is suing social media companies, including Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, alleging, among other claims, that they purposely cause children and teens to be addicted to their platforms and create spaces that result in depression and anxiety, and in the most dire circumstances, suicide.
These are significant cases with significant injury.
Harford County Schools, among the first to go to trial, was chosen as one of 6 bellwether cases that will test the claims made in the multi-district litigation, which includes claims filed by individuals, school districts, and state officials. Rob Jenner, a Baltimore-based attorney who is not involved in the social media cases but has co-led other mass tort actions, weighs in on the importance of being first to go to trial in cases like these.
That's how you get a feel for the liability aspect. That's the way you get a feel for the causation aspect. And most importantly, it's the way you get a feel for what the damages are.
At a restaurant in Falston, parents and residents are speaking out. On the table, dishes and discussion. Reaction to the lawsuit.
For the children's sake, I understand it, and social media definitely is out of hand. Their algorithms are definitely addictive to children.
You know, we were designed to be social creatures, but socially interacting in person and not isolated in a room talking to a device. And I think that in itself is damaging to young people.
I don't like it. I feel like that's not their lane. I feel like it's the parental lane. And the school board usually tends to want to get into the parental reign and the parents' rights, and I believe it's the parents have the right to govern their kids.
Still, the lawsuit. Matt Legg, who represents Harford and some 80 other school districts in the litigation, on why they must sue.
It's an opportunity for school districts to both send a message to these companies to get them to change their behavior, but also recoup some of the losses that they've had as a result of it.
Well, several Maryland school districts, including Baltimore City and Baltimore County, have joined this litigation. Now, they're not included in the initial wave of trials, but officials tell our media partners at the Baltimore Sun that they are, quote, monitoring this first phase very closely. We'll keep you posted. We're live tonight. Keith Daniels, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.